Thanks to ground pork, these easy pork tacos come together fast. You can even make the filling in advance.
We make our own taco seasoning. Stir together 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 2 teaspoons salt, 1½ teaspoons smoked paprika, 1½ teaspoons ground coriander, and a ½ teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We also add 2 teaspoons of mushroom powder, which adds a savory, rich flavor that we love. Look for the link to our homemade mushroom powder below. And finally, we add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch so that the seasoning sticks to the pork. Cooking the pork is easy. Add it in one layer to a skillet with oil over medium heat. This way, the underside of the pork has a chance to brown. When it does, use a spoon to break the meat apart, stir it, and cook. When the pork is mostly cooked, add 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and stir it around the pan a few times before pouring in a 1/4 cup of water. Stir everything together and scrape any stuck bits from the bottom of the pan. When the water thickens and the seasoning sticks to the pork, you are done. I love making lime sour cream to serve with these tacos. First, I squeeze a little lime juice into 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and then I season it with a pinch of salt. You can build your taco however you like. For us, that means a bit of mashed avocado on the bottom, some shredded cabbage, the pork, our lime sour cream, and a good forkful of pickled onions. Our recipe is linked below so you can make them yourself. And that's it. Absolutely delicious pork tacos. Ground pork makes these so quick to make, and that homemade taco seasoning makes them practically crave-worthy. Enjoy, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.